Mirrors. Both side covers. Yep.
They just come off.
Yep. Both side covers. Tank. This needs to get taken off first. Usually there's wiring, but there's clips.
Yep.
Both saddle bags. These covers need to come off first, and then we'll be able to take the rear fender off. Now, a lot of times underneath, following the inside of the fender, there's electrical wires for your lights and your everything else. A lot of times it's a quick connect. Sometimes it's here. Sometimes it's back in here.
Yeah.
So you have to take the seat off first. We'll start taking the front fender off. Dash bars, we'll take those off, and then we'll start disassembling this and work our way back this way.
Look at me, I'm a Subaru. I sound like I'm running on all cylinders, but I don't. I sound like I don't.
Hello! Welcome back to Yahoo. We're doing another tricoat. Remember the green one we did? Yeah, that was cool. Now we're doing the red one. Similar process. Basic sealer, base coat, tricoat, like tinted clear, with an extra layer of clear coat to seal in all of the layers. It's gonna be cool. I hope I don't stay late. Hey, blue. Anybody see a blue? You want new pants? Sick. What is going on right now? What the? Oh my god. See that? Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! What did you do? Let's just imagine that never happened.
Who let you in here?
So if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm mixing this paint coat. This is what we are spraying on the Nomad bike for Simon. So we're going to be doing our red base tri-coat to start, which is going to be our flames layer. And then once that's cured, we're going to sand it down, mask off our flames, spray our black. So then our reds will show our flames, and the black will cover everything else. Then we're going to do our fun little airbrushing to make it look more realistic and not so jank and cut and paste. So that's what we're mixing. $72 grams of dark violet. Violet, you're turning violet.
Violet, you're turning violet, Violet!
What are you talking about?
That is a really nice color though. It's not even the red yet. That's just the base tone. Okay, where am I going? What do I do? How do I do it?
Make them look like that
Oh no.
on this side. Get right in.
I'm right-handed, but I'm left eye. Yeah, it's too much like...
You have to make the noises. Still looks like a pea.
That's a
He did one on the other side without even trying.
You did the head.
So the flames are going to stay the red, and then all the backspacing is black. And then the top of the tank and the top of the fenders are going to be faded black, so the tops will actually be airbrush black.
I was hoping there was going to be a fade at some point. Yeah.
The sperms.
The correct terminology is masturbation.
I sense a theme here.
On all the parts for the Vulcan 1500. We had to send everything out to get de-chromed and powder coated because the customer wanted everything, all the chrome taken off, and there was a lot of chrome on this bike. And then as you can see, everything's been powder coated in black, which personally I think it looks a lot nicer. So now I have to reassemble everything that we sent off and make sure everything is up to spec. Wow, who cleaned this? There's streaks everywhere.
You don't want to go in.
There you go. Hey, it's confusing when you have it backwards.
inside. This looks. It's just everything. I don't even know what to say. Like I'm just. I don't even know what to say. I'm stunned. I'm just stunned, and I'm a chatty guy, so. Like,
It's the first time I've ever seen him not know what to say.
yeah.
I'm glad you like it.
Oh, I love that. Thanks so much. That's amazing. Thanks, man. That's amazing.